All right, let's try our next one. We have variables in the answer choices we know we get to plug in. The question reads, if p is less than r and p, r, and m are positive integers, how much greater is the sum of m and r than the difference of m and p? So we can plug in, let's say easy numbers. We'll say p is 2 and r needs to be greater than 2, so let's just say r is 3. For m, the only restriction we have is that it's positive, just like p and r, so we could throw in any number for m. Let's make it 5. So the question says, how much greater is the sum of m and r? Well, let's figure out m and r. m was 5, r is 3, 5 plus 3 is 8. The difference of m and p, well, that would be 5 minus 2, and their difference is 3. So basically, the question is reading 8 is how much greater than 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. That's the answer to our question, so we box 5. That's what we're looking for. Now we get to go to the answer choices and plug in the numbers we used. So A would be m minus r. Well, m was 5, r was 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. That's not 5. B would give us 2 times 5 minus 2, which is 8. That's not a match. C gives us 3 minus 2, which equals 1. D gives us 3 plus 2, which gives us our magic number 5. And E gives us 10 minus 3, which is 7, minus 2, which is 5. Uh-oh, we have 2 possible answer choices here, D or E. We just got doubles. One of the reasons we might have gotten doubles is, do you see how 2 is in the answer choices? You want to try to avoid using numbers that are in the answer choices, because sometimes you end up with more than one that works. So we've eliminated every answer choice except for D and E. So we're halfway there. Let's pick new numbers and let's try to shake things up this time. We had said P was 2, so I don't know, let's try an odd number for the sake of it. Let's keep M the same, because sometimes it's good to shake up some of them but not others. And R was 3, so let's kind of bump it up and make it an even number and make it a lot bigger than 3. So let's say R is 8. So from this point, we would have M plus R. Well, 5 plus 8 is 13. M minus P would give you 5 minus 3 is 2. And then 13 minus 2 is equal to 11. So we box 11. Now from here, we don't have to try A, B, or C. We just need to try D and E. So 8 plus 3 equals 11. That works. But when we look at E, 2 times 5 minus 8 minus 3, that's equal to -1, not 11. So you know D is the right answer.